Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a Florida child sexual abuse attorney with the law firm of Cullen and Hemphill in Winter Park, Florida. I wanted to talk a little bit about the statute of limitations in child sexual abuse cases. We get a lot of calls on this subject and a lot of emails, and so I wanted to touch on a new case that recently came out of South Florida, out of the 4th Judicial District in Florida, that touches on a statute that was passed in 2010, which extends the statute of limitations for child sex abuse cases to being basically unlimited. And the case is called, I want to get it correct, the case is called Jane Doe No. 3 versus Nur-Ul-Islam Academy, Inc. So you can look it up online and you can read it for yourself. But essentially, for our purposes, the case is a reiteration of what we believe the Florida Legislature intended in 2010 when it amended the statute of limitations rules for child sexual abuse cases. And essentially, the 4th District Court of Appeals has said that as long as a case is valid as of June 1st, 2010, then the statute of limitations is unlimited on that case. And so a person who has a valid claim as of that date can decide to bring a claim anytime he or she wants to. So the question is a case valid before 2010? And that can and will depend a lot upon the individual facts of the case. But essentially, if the person was a child, if they were younger than 16 years of age, sometime before 2010, and their claim is still valid then, so they might even be a young adult by that time, or they might be a middle-aged adult with some extenuating factors, then they would still have the unlimited statute of limitations applied to their case going forward. So as I said in the beginning of the video, this is sort of really dependent on the facts and circumstances of each case, but at least we know now that the District Courts of Appeal are looking at the statute and reading it the same way we hoped and thought they would when the statute was passed back in 2010. If you have any questions regarding a potential Florida child sexual abuse case, please call me or my law partner, Robert Hemphill, at 407-254-4901, or visit our website at cullen-hemphill.com.